Welcome back to another awesome video.
You don't have to be a cook to know that air fryers are hot. Air fryers have gained a ton of popularity in the last 5 years. Today we're going to unbox a new one and then use it to try and replicate the taste of a Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Yum!
We've got this beautiful product here. It's the 6-quart digital air fryer. So let's open it up and see. We know that Drew Barrymore has a toaster. Now she's apparently got an air fryer out too. So got our instructions. Okay, I guess this comes in white too. We got the gray bottle. So much like the toaster, this is a touch screen, so there's no controls, very sleek appearance. This will look nice on the counter. Here it is next to the Nuwave. Obviously this is gonna look a lot better on your counter. The Nuwave we had is just getting a little worn out. The display is starting to go, some digits are missing. We got baked on grease. It's just a little bit more beat up, but it's still working. It's lasted 2 or 3 years. We'll see about this one. This one has a 2-year warranty. Just like the toaster, it just kind of flashes slowly when it's off. When you power it on, you first select one of your 4 main modes: air fry, roast, reheat, or dehydrate, which set different times and temperatures, which can be adjusted. And then you can adjust the, once you, like I pick air fry, then I can adjust the time and temperature, and then I hit start to go. The manual itself is pretty informative. It says it has patent pending turbo crisp technology, whatever that is, and it has a helpful chart in there that helps you determine if you should be air frying or roasting for a given type of meal. Okay, so we're about to test this air fryer out with some Just Bare lightly breaded chicken breast fillets from Costco. They're supposed to be like Chick-fil-A biscuits, and we're gonna try the air fryer, and we're gonna use the air fryer liner to help keep it clean. Let's give it a try. According to the instructions, you're supposed to preheat the air fryer, but I don't know how to do that, so we're just gonna go for it. We got the chicken breasts in there, the liner. We're gonna go for 17 minutes, so air fry, 17 minutes. All right, so we got air fry 360, and for 17 minutes, and we're gonna go. Okay, go. Pretty nice and quiet, not a lot of noise, not a lot of heat on top. So we're halfway through. We're going to try the pause function and flip the chicken breast, see how that works. Oh yeah, looking good so far. Let's flip them over. All right, so now we're going to resume it. Down to the final minute here. Okay, we're done. Oh yeah, sizzling chicken goodness there. So here we are with our chicken sandwich. We've toasted the bun in our beautiful toaster, and we fried the chicken in our beautiful air fryer. Let's see how the beautiful chicken sandwich tastes. That's good. Good stuff. Not for you, buddy. Sorry, this is human food. One nice feature for storage is the cord reel type thing on the bottom. This part is supposedly top rack dishwasher safe, although we just washed it by hand. And it all fits together nice in the cabinet. That's about it. We hoped you enjoyed this look at our new beautiful air fryer. At the time of this upload, it was about $60 at Walmart. We mostly do vintage electronics on this channel, but if you want to see our earlier video about the beautiful toaster, I'll put a link to that. And by the way, while it was not an exact replica of a Chick-fil-A sandwich, the chicken sandwich did taste excellent when topped with spicy honey sauce. That's about it. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time for another awesome video.